Here's how to fix alert not firing on TradingView. So we're here on TradingView and this is our pair. You're going to go over to the right pane and then you see some options. Once you hover your mouse over the clock icon, you see alerts, click on it and we have one alert. So let's assume it's not firing. We're just going to hover over it. You can see pause, you can see edit, and you can see delete. Now, one option, of course, is to delete it and create the alert once again. Of course, if you want to, you could also try the other option to pause it and then click on restart in case it's a glitch. But if that doesn't work, you could go over to edit. And then, of course, you have the conditions right here. And you want to look at the trigger. So we're going to click on this drop down. It's currently in once only. We're going to choose every time. And then for the notification options, because it's not firing, we're going to click on the drop down and you can see that we have the notification in app, and this provides a push notification in the mobile app. And of course you have the show toast notification, which displays an on-site notification. So if these options aren't working, you could add more layers for notifications. So you could say send email. You could also say play sound, in which case it will be asking you to choose the type of sound you want, and if you want it to be once or every 3, 5, 10 seconds or more. So once you have that, you can see that we now have 4 notifications. We just added 2 more, and then of course send a plain text. So if you want this option, you could go ahead with that, or you can click on apply. And by doing this, go ahead and click on save, and this should fix the alerts not firing in TradingView.